guys, and welcome back to the 12 Crafts of Christmas. This has quickly turned in, like I've said, to the 12 Ornaments of Christmas, and that is all right by me. Hopefully you guys haven't minded that either. I need to get a cotton ball for this project. Sorry, I didn't get one. And I have my ornaments. You guys have seen these before. These are the pack that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was $5 with the 50% off of Christmas stuff. And I also need you'll need your hot glue gun and a cupcake liner. And if you want your, this could be as simple as done right here pretty much. We're making this look like a little cupcake topper. So you could, if this is the color that you'd want your cupcake icing to be, you don't even need this. And you probably want to wear gloves if you care about getting ink on you. I clearly don't. I'm going to be using re-inker and a cotton ball, and I'm just going to put some re-inker on my cotton ball in whatever color you want. I of course chose pink, and then I am just going, I wonder if this is styrofoam. I'm going to take my cotton ball, I think, but you know what? Seems like it's absorbing very, very much. I guess it's doing it either way. That's funny. Now I'm going to have it on my table, which isn't something that I wanted, but that's all right. I get asked a lot about my table. This is not my table. It is my table, but it's vinyl that's over my table. It's a piece of photography vinyl, like it's a photographer's background. That's what I use. I cover up my work table with that because I can change it or I can cut it and move it to a different spot. And I need to do that, honestly, but I probably haven't. I was changing it like, I don't know, quarterly or monthly or something at the beginning when I first got them, but I haven't changed it for probably a year, maybe longer. I don't know. It's cute and I like it. So I have others though that my husband got me like 3 of them for my birthday one year, and they were just found on Etsy. You could just go to Etsy and type in photography background. I'm really wondering if this is styrofoam or if it's plastic. I don't know what it is, because maybe I can come up with some other craft ideas if it's styrofoam. I thought it was plastic, but and then once you have this covered as well as you want it, which that might be good, I don't know. I'm going to take a baby wipe. All cleaned. Baby wipes are wonderful. I have all sorts of crud on here, don't I? Okay, so once you have it covered as much as you want for the icing of the cake, of the cupcake, I might do a little bit more over here. All right, I'm calling that good. I'm going to take my glue gun and put some glue at the bottom of this, like that. And then I want this to be a little cockeyed inside. And then I'm going to take it all the little ghost strings I'm going to like tack it on in different spots, or maybe just run it all the way around, I don't know. And just put this in there. I just don't want this to be totally sticking out from the side of the ornament. And this is the side we're going to see the most, so I'm going to put a little bit more on that side. Because when it's hanging on the tree, this will be the side that we see. Wow. And then I want to put a cherry on top. And you can do this with just about any kind or color of ornament. I'm just putting it right in front of where the thing is, because then when it hangs up there, it won't look so crooked. But even if it does look a little crooked, it's not going to be a problem. But isn't that cute? Just a cute little ornament. And it looks like a little birthday cake or a cupcake. This would be a cute idea for somebody whose birthday might be in December, or for any time. Look at my hands. That is pitiful. So yeah, hopefully you guys can give this a try. Any sort of cake liner will do, cupcake liner, and it's just really cute. And this is just a standard size ornament. I didn't even look to see what size ornaments they were, or you know, it's not a small ornament, it's just a regular sized ornament. And there you go. So that is that. Super easy, super fun, super fast, and super cute. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye-bye.